What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today I think marks week, let's say 19, I'm thinking, of this Minoxidil beard journey, you know what I'm saying? That side in the background, doing his side thing. That's Cuddy right there. And then my daughter Evie, she playing in the dirt over there. But anyway, let's get to these results. This is what your boy looking like. See a little bit of growth. I shaved it down, not shaved it, I trimmed it down just to see what I was working with. Y'all can see all the vellus hairs, everything coming in, it's coming across the face or whatever. And keep in mind, I had fake Minoxidil when I first started, so man, I'm still kind of bent a little bit off of that, you know, a little salty, but it's all good. The results still coming in. Here's underneath the neck. Let y'all see that. Here go the right side. This is my weak side. You know, but it's still got a little progress going, you know what I'm saying? I think some of this I could have grew by myself, but you know what I mean, I never let my hair grow out this far, so some of this stuff I probably could have done myself. Here go the mustache. You know, it's thickening up. All good. This was the weakest spot, and as y'all can see, got hairs there. You know what I mean? Here got a goatee and the soul patch. Goatee. Hey, I can't complain, you know what I'm saying? 19 weeks, which is really less than that, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I had the fake Minoxidil. So make sure y'all look out for the fake Minoxidil. I didn't even know that was a thing until just a few weeks ago. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? For the most part, I'm pretty excited about the gains, you know what I mean? Even though it's not so much, you could tell the goatee has grown a lot, you know what I'm saying? So just imagine if this was all over my face, if it was this thick, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get the picture? Yeah, y'all get the picture. And for the FYI, I still have the Kirkland brand that I originally started with, the 6-month supply. I still have it because a lot of the reviews said that some of the bottles was real, so I don't want to dump it all the way out. I'm sure I could go through it and check, but for right now, I'm using the Equate brand from Walmart because why would they sell fake product, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see what that does for the 3 months. I got the 3-month supply and we're gonna see how that turns out. I need y'all to comment down below and let me know where y'all at on y'all journey, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stick with it and trying to keep these videos coming out for you guys, even though they could seem a little bit repetitive. I want y'all to see the progress from start to finish, from scratch to beard, you feel me? So hey, if y'all rocking with your boy, go on and hit that like button and come on and support the Locked In fam. We have so much stuff planned for this year, for the rest of this year and all of next year, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for all that stuff. But yeah, this is what your boy working with, you know what I'm saying? Real quick video, real quick update, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, like I said, where you at? Are you on week 19? I'm pretty sure that, you know, everybody grows at different stages. So some people might have better progress than me and some people not so much. Some people don't even grow hair on their face, you know what I mean? So I'm happy for what I got, you know. I'm gonna keep it going and keep it growing. And before I get out of here, fam, my daughter Evie, she wanna say something to y'all. I don't know what she about to say, but hey, let's see. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? What you drawing in the dirt? Is that your name? Oh, you didn't draw your name early. Oh, okay. That's cool. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
That's what's up. You enjoy school today?
Mm-hmm.
Are you throwing a peace sign? You saying bye? Anyway, fam, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep y'all posted on the family. My family growing, you know what I'm saying? I got 3 kids. Hey, been married for 7 years, going on 8. Hey, together for 14 years, you know what I'm saying? Soon y'all gonna meet my wife and all that and see what I've been putting up with or what they've been putting up with me, you know what I mean? But anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for rocking with your boy. You already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.